What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Before I get this video started, I need you guys to head over to our website. My brother picked this merch out. If you need any merch, I know it's summertime, we got t-shirts, we got snapbacks, we got rain jackets, literally everything on the site. And my brother, you know my brother's OCD, all the stuff is precise, it's nice. Check him out, nice and fitted.
This is like an essentials t-shirt.
Yeah, this is nice.
So you can get either or. You can get this style t-shirt and the other one's I think made by Next Level, which fits pretty good.
The website's up and the link in the description. But in today's video, we have built the cleanest EK hatch. We don't build EK hatches, that's why I say the cleanest one that we have ever built. This car came out so sick, it's perfect. My brother always wanted to do a black on black EK hatch. Literally the murdered out look is so beautiful. I know I didn't record this car on the channel, but Jamie's coming today, we're gonna tune the car. But this car came out so beautiful. Literally top to bottom, everything got done. Engine bay, interior, zinc bolts, the whole nine.
The car runs really good. I drove it on the block earlier too on the base map and it runs really good. As you guys know, it has a full K20a Type R motor in it. Should make good power. I'm thinking it should make somewhere around like 230-ish.
Yeah, only reason we say 230, we left stock injectors, we want reliability. So whoever gets it could just drive it around. It has a fuel pump in it, dash 6 lines, so.
Oh, and it has a 2.5-inch exhaust. So yeah, probably like between 220 and 230.
Yeah, we're not trying to make crazy horsepower.
This is at the end of the day, this is not a race car. This car, like, get in it, cruise, go to a car show, and you know, just enjoy the car. Look at the paint. Black cars are super hard to, you know, paint, and this car is flawless. The body is straight.
What's this Nighthawk black?
Nighthawk black, yeah. So it has like the blue pearl in it.
CTR headlights, first molding front lip, spoon brakes, K20 Type R swap, RBC, K-tuned throttle body. We put a comp clutch in here, like a street style clutch kit, spoon strut bar. Literally this car is so beautiful. Carbon mirrors, Recaros, Miracle X bar. The whole thing's been going through inside, outside. But we're gonna tune the car today with Jamie. If you guys need any tuning needs, anything at all, I'm gonna drop his Instagram tag below. He'll remote tune whether you're in whatever country, wherever you're watching from, he'll remote in and help you tune your car. Make sure to hit him up. But today, what do you think, a 230?
Yeah, I'm saying just because of injectors and exhaust, so I'm saying somewhere between 220 to 230.
Can we get in real quick while I got these cars in the background? What's going down over here?
Oh, if you guys notice, all the parts are finally off the floor. We have the motor. And
so this is the K all-wheel drive car. My transmission broke last time out. Got the motor and transmission back in. This car is fully finished. Put a new turbo on it. Just waiting for fab work.
Motor and transmission's in. Let me show you guys the new turbo setup.
Before I show them the turbo and the setup, here, hold my camera. I need you guys to give you guys a quick comparison of how big this turbo is. Ready?
So look at his head.
Check out my head, and then check out the turbo.
The turbo is bigger than your head.
This thing is huge, bro. I think it's like a 5 or 6 inch inlet.
That thing is off of a tractor trailer, isn't it?
So this is an Apex 8385. I had a 7285 up here. So now the problem is, I'll show you guys. Everything's back together. I just need to get this to fit the air to water setup. But pretty much that's the last thing holding me up. I'm gonna do up pipes out of the hood now instead of out of the fender. And then that'll be pretty much it. Then this car will be pretty much ready to go to the track, and hopefully I get to run my 740 to run at World Cup Finals.
I can't wait.
Yeah, so this right here is my favorite. This is the OG on the lift. I'll just start at the bottom. So this is OG. This is my original B series front wheel drive. Was front wheel drive car. Now the car is all wheel drive, baby.
Yes.
Check out the bling.
Ones that are gonna ask why 2 all-wheel drive cars. We didn't plan on making this car all-wheel drive, but if you guys remember the last outing with this car, how the car nosed over and the ass end picked up. Anybody that drives front-wheel drive turbo cars knows that it is very sketchy slowing these cars down at the top end. You got cars carrying almost anywhere between 600 to 1,000 pounds over the front nose and barely weigh 400 pounds out back. So when you slow these cars down at the top end, 180, 190 miles an hour, man, it is really sketchy.
Even with the parachute.
Yeah, even with the parachute.
The car, so last outing, the car, basically the back end got picked up. It like threw me over. It was just like, yeah, I can get it down packed, but as a driver, it's like, I don't want to keep dealing with that every time on the shutdowns. Either let the motor decel, pull the parachute while you're still in power. So much things to it. We went all-wheel drive. So I want to give a huge shout out to Trust Fab. This rear end is sick. If you guys are going all-wheel drive, make sure to hit them up. Trust Fab literally builds the best rear ends. Hub City kit, as always, the most proven kit out there in the industry. So shout out to Hub City. So we went DSS rear axles, and then I upgraded to a 81 85 Apex Turbo on here. So this car will be out pretty soon. This car doesn't require too much fab work. I just need to, I already got the drive shafts from Drive Shaft Shop. Also, this is a must. I gotta give a huge shout out to all the guys over at Speed Factory Racing. They built me the baddest all-wheel drive transmission. I wanted to do like a sequential, but they haven't released one of those yet. But shout out to them, they literally came through, built the entire thing for me, and then shipped it out. So shout out to them. If you guys need anything also, hit them up.
Well, honestly, not much has changed. The turbo still kind of looks the same, it's the same spot. And as far as the engine bay goes, it still looks the same.
Yeah,
so
just give you guys a quick recap. The exhaust goes out of there. Basically the transmission, we had to just cut the side frame rail, and then it's gonna be shifter cables now instead of a linkage, so.
And that car is gonna get the same front end as this, so both cars will look identical.
So 2 all-wheel drive cars now. I don't know, I see it as if one breaks, we get the other one to race, so we'll always have one car out during the season. 2 all-wheel drive cars is crazy, but it's good to play with the B Series platform and the K Series platform. So today we're gonna tune the EK Hatch. Drop in the comments right now how much you think it's gonna make for horsepower. If I was to guess, I'm gonna say like 232. Your favorite, look Jamie, your favorite engine.
Let me check the block real quick. Jump.
Favorite engine, K20 Type R, baby. We're not here for horsepower. We're just here for reliability.
So wait a minute. How many of these fucking motors you got? Where are they?
I got another 2 more.
We got 2 more and then that's it, we're done. Stock injectors, we're hoping to make like 220, 230.
You got a good fuel pump in it?
Yeah, got a brand new fuel pump with a hanger, I think at 340. What are you guessing for horsepower?
This fucking K20Rs.
This is a Civic Type R one too.
So Jamie, how much are you guessing?
220.
220?
Maybe.
Yo, let me take a walk with me real quick. Did you see the K car? Is your first time seeing it together?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now we time to party. Look how close that is to the firewall, bro. That's nice, right?
You know what that turbo screams? And you got probably bleep it out. I didn't come here to fuck fat. Yo, I got a big head. That turbo's bigger than my head.
Put your head next to the turbo, bro.
Shit, yo, you see it? That shit's bigger than my head, bro.
Hoping to go 740 is the next test and tune.
I like it though. I'm surprised it fit.
It barely fits in there. It's like really, really close, but we got it to fit. All right, guys, there go first pull. All right, first hit 209. First hit 209.
Fast car right there.
Before all you keyboard warriors start talking shit in the comments, this car has a 2.5-inch exhaust. It has stock injectors. You guys gonna say my stock K20R made 250. You guys have 3-inch exhaust. We're not here for horsepower.
We're here for a good time. Bro, 200 horsepower, that's more than your B Series could ever make.
Not gonna lie, that pull, it seemed like it did take a long time, but 214 horsepower, pretty much close to what we want, 220. You're right, 214 horsepower. I don't think I've ever seen a B Series make that much on motor.
It's not much power, but motor sounds healthy, car is good. But you're right, a B Series would struggle making that power.
Also, you guys, I know I don't post too much videos and stuff like that. Just I post a lot on my Instagram, so I'm gonna drop my Instagram tag below. I post a lot more on there than I do here for shop stuff. Just got a lot going on sometimes, so make sure to go follow me on IG. All right, here we go, third pass. Honestly, that might be a wrap for this car. 216 horsepower. It's like 80 degrees out today, so I don't know. Maybe if I pulled the filter off, I might pick up a couple more horsepower, but it's right on par pretty much of like where it needs to be. Yo, Jamie, think that's a wrap for this?
I think it's a wrap.
Yeah, stock injector life.
Yeah, literally we're out right now.
Damn. Maybe I should have put a set of injectors in here, but it's a good street car. 216. Yeah. All right, boys, that's a wrap. Shout out to Jamie for coming through. This car made 216 horsepower. Like I said, stock injectors, they're maxed out. Yeah, if I wanted to make more horsepower, I would put more bigger injectors in here, but it is what it is. This is exactly what we wanted, a perfect, reliable street car that's quiet and that can be daily driven. If you want to check out more updates, make sure to follow my Instagram. This car just came out so beautiful. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.